Hi, I'm Curley, owner of Natural Hair Rocks Salon. In today's video, I'm going to show you the products, the styling tools that I use to do the silk press. The silk press is Natural Hair Rocks Salon's most popular service. If you want to see pictures of before and after of actual clients, you can go to our Instagram page, Natural Hair Rocks Salon, or visit us on Facebook, Natural Hair Rocks Salon, or go to our website, www.naturalhairrocks.com, to view pictures of actual clients. So I also retail the tools that I use to do the silk press. And just to give you a background on the silk press is $65. If you add a hydration, it's $20 additional. And your hair is shampooed, conditioned, and next we spray in a leave-in conditioner, detangle the hair with a wide tooth comb, and then we proceed to our blow dry. So the tools, the blow dryer is a FHI blow dryer. And after we blow dry the hair with a Denman brush or any type of brush, after we blow dry the hair, then we proceed to silk the hair with the flat iron. These are the tools that we use. I also sell this. This is a trio kit that you can purchase in the salon for $145, and it comes with 3 items. And you also get a Natural Hair Rocks Salon t-shirt if you purchase. It's also included in the price. But the price of the trio is $145. And so the trio includes a 1-inch flat iron, a brush, and a curling iron for $145. And the t-shirt is included. But these are the products that I use to do the silk press, or to do the press and feathers, or to do a press and curl. And like I said, this is available for retail in the salon, $145, and you also get a free shirt. There are a few videos on our Instagram page where you can see the entire blow dry process. Like I said, go to our Instagram page. If you're interested in doing a consultation, you can give us a call at 678-817-1300. You can also schedule appointments online at www.naturalhairrocks.com. We do require a $25 deposit when you schedule, and that does go toward the total cost of your service. It's not in addition to. So when you get ready to schedule your appointment, you can call the salon if you're a first-time client. If you're a regular client, you can just go ahead and schedule online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And my name is Curley. Thanks for watching.